So now all we have to do is look at the in-betweens and correct them. So we'll go from frame 1, bring this down more. And then for here, we can start having it come down. We just want to make sure we're breaking the joint. You can actually just try to put a key here and delete this control and we'll get the in-between. Hey, pretty good. Beginning is a little rough because of this. When it squashes, the tail goes back in space. If we look at this point on the tail, right here, goes to the left, then to the right, then to the left, which is giving it a weird feeling. We can just correct that. So now it's going to the right, and then we're going to stretch it. And then when it flops, we want to make sure it actually hits the ground. Because right now there's a space right here, if you see that. And then for here, we want to make sure it's not penetrating too much. And then make sure this is still down here. You just want to think of it like a flopping fin or a joint, or, you know, when you swim and you're using diver, it has that kind of motion where you're breaking those arcs and points to make some really nice movement. And it does take some experience getting used to this, but if you draw it first, it definitely helps. Awesome. So let's play blast this. Make sure it's all good. And then I'll just play blast it saying ball bounce tail. So again, there's always going to be things to work on, but for now, looks great. All right, so we got our ball, we got our tail that's overlapping. In the next lesson, we're going to go over idea creation and thumbnails for our expression test.